Zonda Montgomery recently celebrated her 100th birthday at Lee Health's Healthpark Medical Center.
It was just wonderful. I was overwhelmed by it.
Leading up to the big day, she was having trouble breathing, eating, and feeling fatigued.
The valve became very leaky and her heart started failing.
Blood was going backwards in her heart, back into her lungs, and she was developing something called pulmonary edema because her heart wasn't working efficiently.
The Lee Health Heart Institute team was able to do a minimally invasive TEER procedure to repair Montgomery's faulty heart valve to normal function.
There's no incisions on this individual's chest, particularly on a 99-year-old. It's essentially like putting in an IV in the groin, into a vein in the groin, sending catheters up to the heart, steering a device on the valve, and restoring the valve to its original function by putting a clip on it so it can function back to its normal state.
I'm just feeling very strong now, very positive, and I just look ahead to a future.
Montgomery had no pain and celebrated her centennial birthday with her new friends.
Just the fact that they would take a few minutes off of their busy lives, a doctor, imagine, and his staff all came in here and sang to me. Incredible. I was just so honored.
Here for the moments that matter. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.